don't want a lot of things in this world, but I'm sure every guy will agree with me when I say I want a girl that can suck me good. Suck your what? Suck me good. Suck your who? Suck me good. Suck your what? Suck me good. Me get where you now. Me get where you. Yes, man. I want a girl that can suck me good. Why? If I'm ever bitten by a snake, say on my penis, on me tutus, on me willy, on me pinky, I am going to want a girl that suck me good, to suck out the white stuff. I mean the poison. May I make dollars or may I make sense? Ching! I want a girl that can suck me good. Suck your what? Suck me good. Dyson vacuum cleaner enough you have nothing pan her when it comes to sucking my who? I mean good. Sucking me good. I don't care when nobody wants say. Girls that suck good and suck me good. I mean really suck me good. Slap where? Whap where? Clap where? Yes, man. Big up the real original suck good girl there. We had suck good from candy shop days. I take you to the candy shop. I let you look the lollipop. Them girl there from lollipop. Shawty wanna thug. Bottles in the club. Make her lick the lollipop. Shawty wanna young moolah, baby. Don't she? Suck good girls are always welcome in my presence. Don't discriminate, no, not at all. If she suck good, then the rating's tall. As for girls that don't, where they who know how wait pan? Tell me, but now wait pan. Where you say it nasty? Shut your oh, nasty. Understand this. There are two types of women in the world. Girls that suck good, my favorite, and girls that don't suck good yet. Till I wait upon them one day. Till I wait upon. Really? I mean, really? I think you need to wake the up and suck up. I mean, smell the coffee. Smell the coffee. If you not suck good, what you do with your mouth? Like, explain to me. Talk, eat bubblegum, gossip, what? I don't understand. I just don't get it. I don't get it, man. I don't get it. I don't get it. Like, tell me why. Don't get me wrong, you know. Don't get me wrong. Girls that don't suck good yet, I still love them. But girls that suck good, I love them more earnestly, ing, and every other suffix. Suck good girls, slap where, whap where, clap where, flat away. Far. In my book, girls that suck good, them get first preference. If she don't suck good,
I don't know what you heard about, but a bitch can't get it out of me.
But if she suck good, I mean really suck me good. Anything you want me, you me gal. Come me gal, if she don't suck good, love what? But if she suck good, I mean really suck me good. Loving you is easy cause you suck me good. Suck me good. If she don't suck good, run bitch. Run bitch. She gon' kill you. But if she suck good, I mean really suck me good. I got a grenade for you. Stop the fire brigade for you. I mean, some women need to understand that panty power is not all that anymore. They need to understand the suck good power. A good suck is like bacon. It makes everything better.
Everything is better with a good suck.
Sex, better with a good suck. Driving, better with a good suck. Watching the game, better with a good suck. Milk. Oh, milk. Better with a good suck. Weed, better with a good suck. Taking a shit, better with a good suck. Watching my videos, better with a good suck.
Everything is better with a good
suck.
In a way, it's even safer than sex because you can't get prego. Straight up. Girls that suck good are winning. Ching! They're running shit now. From the entertainment industry to the media. Even bank tellers doing it nowadays. Winning. Girls that suck good.
Suck good?
My heart is yours.
Ooh. And every girl will suck good still. With some of you, it's like, God damn it. No. Whilst with others, Winning! Yeah, hear me? Louder girls that suck good. Suck good?
Suck good?
Suck good?
Freaky girls, thus are the girls that I loveth. Abstaineth from disrespect to women who sucketh goodeth. Thou shalt not scorneth women of such caliber. Ye must rejoice for them. Oh. Taken from the Gaza Handbook, chapter Freak, page 69, verse 1 to 5. Nothing wrong with being a freaky girl. A girl that
Suck good?
just remember there's a difference with being a freak and a whore. But with all that said, I just want a girl that can suck good.
Suck good?
Suck good?
Suck me good.
Oh, idiot.